are going to love the 2018 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.